Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to connect Trust Wallet to Uniswap on your iPhone. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that your Trust Wallet is installed on your iPhone and it is funded. This allows you to trade tokens from your iPhone safely and conveniently. So first, you will open your Safari or your browser on your iPhone and go to app.uniswap.org. And once you're here, you will click this button right here, which is connect wallet or connect. And then what you will have to do is choose Trust Wallet. So you have to make sure first that Trust Wallet is installed on your iPhone. And then after clicking Trust Wallet, you will just have to open the Trust Wallet app to approve the connection, and then you will verify the wallet address that matches your Trust Wallet account. And finally, you can swap tokens, provide liquidity or check balances, and then double check the wallet address before making any transaction. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.